Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? So we are going to discuss about past continuous tense today. What is past continuous tense? Past continuous is formed from the past tense of to be. To be means like we will use in place of is, am, are, we will use just past form, that is was or were, with the base of the main verb plus the ending ing form of the verb, that is first form with ing we will use. Past continuous tense is was watching. Another example of this tense is we were playing football when he sprained his wrist last week. The past continuous tense is were playing, like we were playing football. It shows that it is past continuous, it is the work is continued, it is going on. How will you recognize this sentence belong to past continuous tense? At the end of Urdu sentence there comes रहा था, हो रही थी, जा रहे थे, कर रहे थे, etc. एग्जाम्पल इज बच्चे बाहर की सैर कर रहे थे, अम्मी खाना नहीं पका रही थी, तुम गाना क्यों नहीं गा रहे थे. इट वॉज कंटिन्यूड इन पास्ट. And rules for the change of voice, that is subject plus was were plus first form of verb with ing and object, that is the active voice. And in passive voice we will bring the object at the start, was were will be same, being is used. Whenever ing is there with first form, then you have, when you are changing it into passive voice, you will use being, being, being. Why? Because we have to use third form of verb in passive voice, and before third form we will use being for continuous tense, and then by, and then subject. Next is examples from active and passive voices. He was watching TV. You can see that is active voice. Now TV, as we have brought at the start, TV was being watched by him. Being is used because watching is there. Watching will be changed into being watched. Fine. You were not making lame excuses. Now lame excuses were not being made by you. Why were? Because lame excuses are plural and not being, it's negative, so we have used being for making. Making is changed into being made. For interrogative, why was he teasing you? So why was he teasing us? Why were we being teased by him? So we is plural, we have used were. He was singular, so why was he teasing us? Now plural is there, so we have used were. Being teased is used for passive voice, third form, and by him. I hope that you have understood that and it will be helpful for you to solve your exercises. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.